So there is a massive difference between how amateurs are doing affiliate marketing versus the professionals. And so how amateurs are trying to do affiliate marketing is they're going to sites like ClickBank, maybe Amazon Associates, or any other popular affiliate marketing network out there, and they're just getting themselves an affiliate link and then trying to jam traffic to that affiliate link, probably just how they've been taught, right? And the result? No money, no commission, and they're just being like everybody else with an affiliate link out there in the marketplace. Now, if you want to do affiliate marketing and actually win, you got to do it differently. And this is how professionals are doing. Now, did you know that companies such as Bankrate, the NerdWallet, the Penny Hoarder, right, even Expedia, these are all affiliate marketing companies, and they're affiliate marketing hubs. And they're generating hundreds of millions of dollars per year through affiliate commissions. They have no products of their own, but they're making hundreds of millions of dollars per year through affiliate marketing. Question: would you like to learn how to build yourself an affiliate marketing business just like these professionals are doing? There is a secret affiliate model that nobody is talking about. And this is the model that I utilize in my business, and it generates insane amounts of commissions for me on a regular basis, simply selling other people's products. I'd like to show it to you, and I'd like to hook you up with what's called done-for-you affiliate turnkey business in a box solution that can put you in a commission generating position within 7 days or less, even if you're starting from zero. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because we're radically revolutionizing the way affiliate marketing is done. And we're pulling together an army of affiliate syndicates where we're gonna change the game. If you are looking for your shot and for a real deal breakthrough, click on the link around this ad and check out a private invite-only workshop that I'm doing, where I'm gonna reveal to you this model. I'm going to hook you up with a turnkey business in a box solution that can help you launch your own real deal affiliate business in 7 days or less, and it will change your life forever. Check it out.